The yoga pose of the week is the dolphin. Come on down to your knees and on the palms of your hands. And bring your elbows onto the floor or onto the mat. And lift your bottom high to the sky. It's sort of like downward facing dog, but your elbows are on the floor. And breathe. And like dolphins, they have the blowhole. You're going to breathe in and breathe out. Come down and just imagine that you're blowing water right out of that blowhole like a dolphin. Hold that plank. Excellent. And back up. Dolphin. Breathe. You got it. And come on back down. Let me see. You got it? I see. You got it. Excellent. Hold it, breathe, and push back up. Dolphin pose. That's it. And bring it on back down. Hold your plank for a few seconds. Breathe. And come on down. You did it. And push up. Brilliant! Do me a favor. Click the subscribe button and the notification button. Thanks for working out with me.